Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you in changing your language in Notion. Here's a quick guide to help you switch to your preferred language. Start by clicking on Settings and Members at the top of the left sidebar. It's your gateway to customizing your Notion experience. Once you're in, look for Language and Region in the sidebar of the new window. This is where the magic happens. Ready? Click the first drop-down menu. You will see a list of available languages, including English, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, Portuguese, and more. Select the language you want. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your language in Notion. Enjoy the seamless experience in your preferred tongue. Remember, Notion is continually expanding its language offerings, so keep an eye out for more options in the future. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.